Bentley platform has proved itself, and now the opportunity to race it at Pikes Peak. The start line is at 9,500 feet. In this environment, it really checks every box as the most competitive vehicle that you could arm yourself with. You're constantly monitoring and pushing the vehicle, but you get it right. You do your homework, as we have done in the last 2 days here in testing. The reward is just phenomenal for everyone involved. This is one run, one day of the year. You have to be calm, be focused, and process everything that you have to do. Really excited to get the car on the mountain in a couple of weeks' time here and push for that new world record.